Leonardo da Vinci, born on 15 April 1452, Leonardo da Vinci was an Italian painter, scientist, architect, mathematician, engineer, geologist, botanist, anatomist, and a lot more. He was the archetype of the great men of the Renaissance, insatiably curious and a genius by birth. He had made inventions in almost all the fields of science, medicine, and art. He was an extraordinary artist who created masterpieces like the Baptism of Christ, the Madonna of the Carnation, Annunciation, the Last Supper, the legendary Mona Lisa, and many more. Leonardo also made path-breaking contributions in science and engineering. Most of his works are in mirror image cursive. He was a master of topographic anatomy and created the drawings of muscles, tendons, and other parts of the body. He made the observations of the mechanical movements of the human skeleton, the fundamental concepts of biomechanics. He created the drawings of helicopters, hydraulic pumps, reversible crank mechanisms, all of which were unknown concepts in the 16th century. Da Vinci was a genius par excellence, a legend beyond comparison. He passed away on 2nd May 1519. Alan D. Blumlein. Alan D. Blumlein was born in Hampstead in London on 29 June 1903. He was born to German parents of Jewish descent. He was a famous British electronics engineer who was known for his important inventions of sound recording, telecommunication, radar, and most importantly, stereo. He was a noteworthy engineer and inventor of his time, who alone had 128 patents during his time. In 1931, he invented the stereophonic sound, which was also known as binaural sound. He became a famous name for this invention of his. In the earlier inventions, the sound recording system had only a single speaker, which was very disconcerting. The genesis of his idea of making a stereo, though, was very uncertain at the beginning, but he was given patent under the title of Improvements in and relating to sound transmission, sound recording, and sound reproducing system. Some of the features of the stereo designed by him at that time are still in use today. He passed away on 7 June 1942. Alan Turing. Alan Turing was a mathematician, logician, cryptanalyst, and is considered as the pioneer of computer science. He introduced the concepts of algorithms and computation, paving the way for the modern digital computer. He is noted for the discovery of Turing machine, which was able to simulate the logic of any computer algorithm. Turing studied mathematics at King's College in Cambridge, where he received the Smith's Prize for his research in the field of probability and the Gaussian error function. During the Second World War, Turing worked for Government Code and Cipher School, where he was instrumental in decoding German codes by an electromechanical machine named Bombi. After the war, Turing contributed in the designing of the first stored program computer ACE. Later, he joined the Max Newman's computing laboratory and assisted in the designing of the Manchester computers. Alan Turing is considered as the father of artificial intelligence. He computed the algorithm for testing artificial intelligence called the Turing test. Alan Turing was elected Fellow of the Royal Society in 1951. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein is highly recognized for his exceptional contribution in diverse inventions. This great man with brilliant scientific intellect came to the world on 14th March 1879 in Germany. He derived immense fame, being a supreme physicist till date. He gave many eminent theories and discoveries in the major scientific fields, which are namely gravity, time, energy and light. Among the various contributions made by him, Brownian motion ranks first, where he offered predictions based on statistics which explained the theory of distribution and the movement of particles in solution. He also obtained massive popularity for his special theory of relativity, for which he was awarded the Nobel Prize. He even worked on the basic and essential strata of science like photons and thermodynamics. The year 1916 was marked as the year of Einstein, as he had coined the general theory of relativity, which was related to the extensive effect of gravitational force. He also invented the law of photoelectric effect with the help of his general theory of relativity in 1921. Alexander Berezniak. Alexander Berezniak was born on 29 December 1912. He was a Soviet aircraft plus designer of missiles. From March 1957, he was the main architect of the MKB. His birth took place in Boyarkino, Ozarsky Territory, Moscow region. He was technical science doctor plus also an honored worker. in RSFSR. In 1932, he also became fellow member of CPSU. Since 1931, he had been hired in the aviation industries. He was hired by Moscow Aviation Institute, which is named after Ordzhonikidze. In experimental design office of the V.F. Bolkovitinov, he was the engineer. He planned the first Soviet jet during working in that office, the BI-1, that was equipped with the liquid fuel for powering the rocket engine. In joint operation accompanying A.M. Isaev in 1942, BI-1 was created. In 1946, he became Vice Chief Architect of OKB-2. Thereafter, he became Chief Designer in year 1957. He was afterward awarded with Lenin Prize, the Order of Lenin, the USSR State Prize, and numerous medals. In the year 1974, at age of 62, he died in Dubna.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.